Hello friends, today's topic is 9 ways to fix Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 10. Similar complaint received from various users such as Bluetooth not working Windows 10, Bluetooth not detecting devices Windows 10, Bluetooth paired but not connected Windows 10. Check Bluetooth radio status and Windows 10 Bluetooth could not connect. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share for regular update of my video. The first workaround of this subject is rollback drivers. Go to the Windows search and type device manager. You may simply type device only and you will see the top result. Device manager will appear here. Make a click on it to open device manager windows. Now device manager windows is open. Here you should navigate the option Bluetooth and right click on the Bluetooth driver and choose its property option. Now a property window will appear on your screen. Here choose the option rollback driver. Thereafter choose the option OK to save the changes. Second option workaround is Windows latest update. Go to the Windows search and type settings. Windows settings app will appear. Here choose the option update and security. Now from the left side of setting window choose the option Windows update and consequently from the right side choose check for updates. Third option is uncheck power management to fix Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 10. Simply go to the Windows search, type device manager again and choose the option device manager. Device manager window will appear here. Here you should navigate the option mouse, mic and other pointing devices. Make a click on it to expand it and choose the option properties. Here you will see the power management option from the top menu bar. Now a checkbox is open. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You should uncheck this box. After uncheck, you will see the Bluetooth device is working properly. Next, fourth workaround is start Bluetooth services. Go to the Windows search, type run and choose the option run command from the top result. Now run command will open. Here you should type services.msc in it and press the OK button. Now services window will appear on your screen. Here navigate the option Bluetooth support services. Now Bluetooth support services, make a right click on Bluetooth support services. Here if your Bluetooth support services is on, then a start button is light color, and if it is not started, then you should click on a start button to start Bluetooth support services. Next workaround is run the system troubleshooter to fix Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 10. Simply go to the start, make a right click on it and choose the option setting. Now Windows setting is open on your screen. Here choose the option update and security. Now go to the left pane of setting window or here choose the option troubleshoot. Consequently, upon you go to the right side and here choose the option additional troubleshoot option. you will see here a option. Scroll down and choose the option additional troubleshooters. Now additional troubleshooters windows will open. Here navigate the option Bluetooth. You will find a Bluetooth option under the section find and fix other problems. Make a click on it Bluetooth option and thereafter choose the option run the troubleshooter. Windows will detect any issue, Bluetooth related issue automatically and fix them accordingly. You should follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Now sixth option is remove and add again Bluetooth device. Go to the Windows search, type CP, control panel will appear. Make a click on it to open it. Now in the menu of control panel choose the option devices and printers. Devices and printers window will appear. Here you will see your mouse. Make a right click on it and choose the option remove device. After some times, then again go to the top menu bar and choose the option add a device. Window will automatically detect your device and connect them accordingly. Next workaround is change power and sleep setting to fix Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 10. Users keep their settings stay connected to Wi-Fi while sleep under power and sleep option. You should enable it through system setting option. 8th workaround update Bluetooth driver software. Go to the start button, make a right click on it, choose the setting option and choose the option device manager. Now here go to the top bottom and choose the option mic and other pointing devices. Here select your SD compatible mouse and choose the option update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers option. Window will automatically update your mouse driver available online. So these workarounds will definitely help to if your mouse not working properly in Windows 10. Thank you.